Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Once you have located your seat, we ask you that you please step out of the aisle.
A couple of months ago, my friends and I decided that we all wanted to take a trip to somewhere that none of us had ever been to before. And after waiting for months and planning and anticipating, the time finally came. Alright, so I've just landed here in Portland, Oregon, and I'm waiting for my friends AJ and Monty to come pick me up. Should be any minute now, if they are not lost. Thankfully, they were not lost and they finally found me at the airport. With 3 out of the 6 of our team members assembled, we could finally get on our way. First up, we have Monty Woodward, future doctor, aka not a chiropractor, but he also does not have AC in his house, which I don't understand. This is AJ, professional photographer and videographer, and is an absolute wizard in Lightroom. Before we could leave the airport, we had one last member to pick up. And after a couple of minutes of waiting, arrived Eric Thaler, resident frat boy and the perfect car DJ. He's also a big Juice WRLD guy. With about 2/3 of our team assembled, we finally began our trip into downtown Portland. After getting to explore downtown Portland for a little bit, the last 2 of our team members finally arrived. First up, we got Trent Jones. He's kind of the muscle of the group as long as I'm not around. He's a future teacher, loves trees, and the dude can fit an entire McChicken in his mouth at once. Next up, we got Andrew Campbell. Also a future teacher, kind of the dad of the group. He made us breakfast every morning, and he's also the only one that can really reach the top shelf. Eventually, our time in Portland came to a close, and we began to pack up all of our stuff and head to our real destination, the place that none of us had ever been to, and the place that we were super excited to explore. Welcome to Detroit Lake.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Never know. Talking like Geronimo, get dropped down like some dominoes. Blues and greens and pinks, I got a lot of those. Yeah, you know. Talking slime, I can't relate to snakes, I see a lot of foes. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style.
After getting fully settled in, we started to explore the entire lake in all of its beauty. Like all good things, it eventually had to come to an end. But we all had such an amazing time here in Oregon, and I'm so glad we went through all of the hurdles of planning this trip. It was super nice to see everybody again and in such an amazing location. On the last night, we decided to take a step down from the super hyped up energy and just have a really chill campfire to kind of send us all off. It was really the perfect ending to a perfect week, and I couldn't have asked for a better trip.